Welcome to our channel. If you want to manage SMS Preview settings for TurboTax notifications and text messages, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Understand that SMS Preview is primarily a phone setting, not a TurboTax app setting. TurboTax sends text notifications, but your phone controls whether you see message previews. Step 2. To enable or disable SMS previews for TurboTax messages on iPhone, open Settings and tap on Notifications. Step 3. Scroll through your apps list to find Messages and tap on it to access messaging notification settings. Step 4. Look for Show Previews option and tap on it to see preview settings. Step 5. Choose Always, when unlocked, or Never, depending on whether you want to see TurboTax message content in notifications. Step 6. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Apps and Notifications, and find your messaging app. Step 7. Tap on Notifications and look for options to show or hide message content in previews. Step 8. To manage TurboTax-specific communications, sign into your TurboTax account online at turbotax.intuit.com. Step 9. Navigate to your account settings and look for communication preferences or notifications. Step 10. Review and adjust which types of notifications you receive from TurboTax, including SMS messages, emails, and in-app alerts. Step 11. Save your preferences and test by sending yourself a test notification from TurboTax if the option is available. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.